Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. I'm on another one of those free mower picks. So I'm over here in Holtzville, Long Island, and
your destination is on the left.
Picking up a lawnmower there. Free. It says the wheel fell off or something like that. And yep, good old Craftsman or something. So it is a Craftsman, and it's pretty beat up. It's a big wheel one, self-propelled, but it's rusted out all over the place. It's missing a back wheel, and it's missing a big back wheel, so, you know, I don't really know where I can get a big back wheel, but we'll see. I don't think I can use the deck, you know, maybe the engine or something like that. Off to the next one. So I'm now at another house just up the road a bit, about 5 minutes, and this one is a 550 engine. It works and everything, and he wanted like 30 bucks for it before, but I talked him down to 10 as usual. So now I'm here to pick it up. So this was that first one for free. Missing the back wheel. And I just picked this one up for $10. It says it works and everything. It's the 550 Briggs. It's a newer engine, you know. And this one works, he says. That's worth $10. Anyway, I'm gonna take this home. So I'm home now. So here's the free one. It's the big wheel Craftsman with a bagger. He says the engine runs. This actually looks almost just like this frame, but it's all screwed up. See, usually it's all the corners that are screwed up. Missing the top engine cover. He said the self-propulsion doesn't work. I'm sure the gears all grounded out. The bagger is missing the hook on this side. That side's good. Missing a hook there. So you know what? You know, I'm definitely not going to use the deck, but I'll take the wheels off in the front. The one wheel in the back, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Bagger's pretty much shot too. I mean, it's a shame because it needs that hook, but if you don't have that hook, I guess I could fabricate one, but that's too much trouble though, you know. Anyway, so this is free. I could use the engine in the future when I run into another deck, you know. I can always use a good engine. Even though it doesn't look like much now. And this one I got for 10 bucks. It's the newer Briggs & Stratton engine, the 550. This is the kind with the plastic carburetor. Anyway, it's dirty, but he says it works. And I'm going to check the oil and put some gas in it and try to start it up to see. Needs some Earl. So I just put some oil in there. We'll give it a try. Well, that's an easy flip, right? Picked it up, put some oil in it, starts right up. Just gonna clean this up and list it. See you guys next time. Mowers and Blowers.